Good morning, everybody. It's Mike from IMM on this awesome sunny day. So what we got going on today here, as we can see obviously behind me, and my handy dandy post-it note here attached to my finger, we got a 4.5-inch ReadyLift on top of this Dodge 2500 diesel. This is a basic setup for this type of lift. It's just shock extensions, and you're gonna get with this on top of a 37 by 12.5 by 20 Nitto Ridge grappler on top of a 20 by 9 fuel clash. And so yeah, with this type of setup, it's going to be I'd have to say it's going to be a nice little stocky look to it. If I was to get a truck like this or have a truck like this is the exact type of setup I would go with, just because it's like you get the height that you want, you get the size tire that you need, especially me, love my 37s, but you know, to each his own. But anyway, yep, we're going to see how this kit goes. And in a minute, we'll show you what the lift kit looks like and the installation. So yeah, this setup came out really nice, exactly the way I wanted it to be, where we got that perfect fitment on top of here. Tires don't stick out too wide. It's got the perfect clearance. Like, yeah, I like this setup. It's a nice clean look to it. So if you like this type of setup on top of your Dodge truck, come on down to us at IMM. And just a reminder, it's a 4.5-inch lift on this truck with 37 12.5 by 20s on a 20 by 9. Come check us out and get this fitment. It's really nice.